I got a few codes going on, but I'm about to change out this one. It could be a few issues going on, but I seen a little crack in my PCV valve. So I'm about to tackle those later, O2 sensors or whatever, but if you run into P0446, it's not that hard, really. You really don't even need no tools. Get up in here, take your cover off, your engine cover if you got it, and then this is what we changing out right here. You see it connects to that line, connects to that right there. So just pop this off. Hold up. Hold on, let me set this up. Alright, you didn't need no tools at first, but I really don't want to break nothing. Oh yeah, my O2 sensors just came in from Amazon. Let's go. Oh yeah, my O2 sensors just came in, but that's another video. Anyway, back to this. But yeah, I'm gonna take off this right here. Let's take that off real quick. Alright, so I took that off. I just took it off from right there, down there, or whatever, so that way I can go ahead and just change it out mobily. So yeah, go ahead and just pop that out. It's the old. Come on, focus, baby. This is why I'm changing it out. Like I said, the check engine light. All I can really see is like maybe that little hole, that little crack. Here's the part number for the new one. It's $20 on Amazon or $20 at the store. Nobody's making money off nobody, so just go ahead and compare. That's the old one, that's the new one. Same little 4 connectors. Same little boot. So go ahead and just, what am I gonna, go ahead and put that in there. Like so, boom. Do the comparison like that. Move that boot. You can move, like you can twist this boot, you know what I'm saying, to make it. Oh yeah, see that little hole right there? That one right there. I don't know if it's the cause, but we're gonna see. And then just go ahead and put it back in and install her. When you slide that back on, go ahead and take the new one. And you can either go this way, that way, doesn't matter. and just find your way to the hole. Obviously, you need to go to that connector right below it. So and then go ahead and take it. Slide around. Like I said, you can play with that boot. You can move it around. So, yeah. Comment if you have any questions.